Alright, this is a project I failed to show y'all. It's a big Kohler K301 underrated at 14 horsepower, and I'm gonna remove the piston. I'm just gonna show how wore out the rings are, because it burns like a lot of oil. And it came, I think it came off of a cement truck when I got it. But let's give you an idea how wore out the rings were. It burns like a quarter second type of deal. It holds like 2.5 quarts in the block. That's still a pretty big gap right there. And the oil rings, it's not even, it's stuck. So I guess I'll make another video and keep it posted and put the new rings on here in a few minutes. Bye.